child of South Africa. I owe my being to the hills and the valleys, the mountains, the rivers, the deserts, the trees, the flowers, the seas, and the ever-changing seasons of my country, South Africa. I live in a country where my rights as a child are enshrined in the Constitution.
I have the right to be a child in South Africa and the responsibility to be respectful to adults.
I have the right to be cared for by parents, family, and caregivers. And I have the responsibility to respect and care for those who look after me.
I have the right to enough food, to stay healthy, and I have the responsibility not to waste any food.
I have the right to the best possible health care when I am sick, and I have the responsibility to look after my own body by brushing myself and keeping myself clean.
I have the right to be protected from harm, and I have the responsibility to care for people around me.
I have the right to have shelter, and I have the responsibility to share in keeping my home neat and tidy.
I have the right to feel safe, and I have the responsibility not to do dangerous activities. I have the right to an education, and I have the responsibility to study hard and to respect my teachers.
I have the right to make mistakes, and I have the responsibility to learn from my mistakes. I have the right to be proud of my heritage and beliefs, and I have the responsibility to respect the origins and beliefs of others.
My friends with disabilities have the right to special care, and I have the responsibility to show love and caring to others. I have the right to be respected, and I have the responsibility to show respect.
I have a right to a clean environment,
and I have the responsibility not to litter and to keep my environment clean.
I have the right to speak out and be heard,
and I have the responsibility to listen to others.
We have the right to say no to abuse, and we have the responsibility to say yes to life.
I have the right to live in freedom,
and I have the responsibility to respect all those who gave me this freedom. I owe my being to all those who fought for my freedom, especially our father, Nelson Mandela, affectionately known as Madiba. Hamba kahle baba.